Hey, welcome to another video with the Abra Junkie. I'm at the souk area in Deira, and this 1 dirham is going to take me across to Bur Dubai on the Abra. Why? Let's go across and check it out. So this is the reason behind my trip to Bur Dubai. We're at Star Grill's restaurant. Ambience is amazing. If you're seated outside, you are sitting by the creek. And right now this station is closed. This is the Al Gubeba station. My food is just arriving. Let me get into the food and then give you an insight on how good the grills are. Here we've got a Turkish masala grilled flattened chicken and some masala bread, and these are their juicy lamb chops. This is what I'm waiting for. They have some sides of hummus, tabal and baba ganoush, some garlic paste as well. Oh, yum. Marination is spot on. Juicy, soft. You don't even have to bite much. Amazing. If you are a meat lover, this is a must try for you at Star Grills. So I'm done with the lamb, and now to move on to my flattened grilled chicken. Tender and moist chicken. Haven't taken a bite yet, but then just by slicing it with a knife, could make out. Oh wow. You know what? I need to get my hands dirty to get every bit of this chicken. This is so yum. Who wants a fork and knife when you want to just enjoy this? Juicy, tender, moist. It's got all the requirements that is needed for a chicken grill. Oh. They told me it's marinated in Turkish masala. Slight bit of spiciness, but not overpowering at all. The char from the grill is so amazing. Mutton is always my favorite, but after this dish, now I'm having second thoughts. Today we tried the lamb and the chicken. For me, the chicken was the winner. Amazing. The more you have it, oh, the masala was so good. Just couldn't stop eating it. We were actually fighting for the last pieces. They have a tagline: grill, greet, eat and repeat. And true to that, you will definitely come over for a repeat once you've had their food. I had a couple of their milkshakes as well. Really swell. Ambience, like I said earlier, very good. And considering the area, the pricing is very economical as well. Do come over if you love grill food. You will definitely love it. So till the next video, signing off with a cup of Sulaimani.